Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest news and trends in sensor technology. Today, we'll be talking about a company that seems to be doing a pretty good job in the field of robotics. It's about a company that is enabling physical AI thanks to its 3D vision technology. First, let's understand what's the problem to solve. Let's assume that you have a robotic arm and need to perform a pick and place activity. It could be from a conveyor belt to a tray, or even more complex, from a tray to a machine and back to a pallet. In a traditional system, the robot could be programmed assuming predefined positions for the parts in the conveyor belt, the trays, and the pallet. In a real factory, however, this may not be the case. Not always everything is aligned as expected, and parts can actually move from their expected position. That's why a 3D vision system may be required to accurately perceive the environment, see the exact position of the parts, and adjust in real time. That's what the company Inbolt is offering. They provide a 3D camera that can be easily mounted at the end of the robotic arm and adapted to multiple applications. In terms of hardware, they also offer all the necessary components, mounting accessories, controller, power supply, and cabling. But there is more than just hardware. In terms of software, they have their own proprietary vision model powered by AI, capable of adjusting the motion path and end positions in real time. The implementation of such a system can be done on site in just a few steps. First, the 3D camera must be mounted, and then the model must be trained. The training is done by uploading the CAD model of the part to be identified and tracked to their platform, called Inbolt Studio. They claim it only takes a matter of minutes to complete the mounting and training before getting back to work. Next, let's look at some key figures of the company. Headquartered in Paris, they currently have presence in three countries: France, the US, and Japan. Coming back to the pick and place problem from the beginning of the video, they report a success rate of 95%, which is not perfect yet, but still very impressive and well ahead of many competitors. In terms of return on investment, they estimate a payback period between 3 to 6 months, so they are not only focusing heavily on their technical development, but also on their business model. They are far beyond just a demo. They have already deployed their 3D vision system in more than 70 factories, and they are working with major players in the automotive industry, such as Stellantis, Toyota, and Ford. Finally, since their solution is adaptable to many robotic arms, they are working with well-known robot manufacturers such as Fanuc, Universal Robots, ABB, and KUKA. Now we're coming to the end. I hope you've learned about Involt, a company that's enabling physical AI thanks to their 3D vision technology. The market's very competitive in this field at the moment, and we'll see what they can achieve in the coming months and years. If you'd like to keep up with the latest news and trends in sensor technology, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.